This is problem number 11 from page 2019. In this given problem, in the circuit shown below, all these resistors have the same resistance R, and the light bulb has a fixed resistance. So this will be a fixed, let's say, to make things easier, I will just label it like this. This is a bulb and this has got a fixed resistance. You wish to change the state of the switches so that the brightness of the bulb increases from minimum to maximum. What sequence of the switches will achieve this? So we have to go for the order of the switches in which the bulb has got the brightness from minimum to maximum. We have got a following configuration for the resistors attached to a bulb with the switches. So let's analyze this configuration. We see if we close this switch B, then we have two resistors which are in a series with this bulb. So we'll ignore the resistance of bulb, which is fixed. In some sense, we'll just try to understand the circuit from these resistors attached to the bulb. So when we close this B, we have two resistors which are in a series, so this equivalent resistance will be 2R here. If we close this only switch A, not B, then we have the net equivalent resistance here is R plus the equivalent resistors for these two parallel, which will be this will be R over 2. So the total equivalent will be 3R over 2. And we see this 3R over 2, which is 1.5R, is less than the 2R. And if we close both of these switches, then the by finding the equivalent resistance, we get the equivalent resistance to be 6 over 7R, which is of course less than 2R and 1.5R. So the sequence that we should go for in order to have the least resistance total for a largest current, thus the largest power, which is given by P is equal to I square R, with R held constant. So in order to have the largest current, we'll go for the minimum brightness. We'll first go for switch B to close, and then in order to have the brighter bulb, we'll then close A, and to have the maximum brightness, which will give us the largest current here, we'll close both A and B. Therefore our answer will be, here, let me just scroll down here, only B, we'll close B first and then only close A, and both of them. So our answer is C.